Plakado na po.
Chilinyo, hey.
Hey everyone, papunta naman kami ngayon sa Chatok Chak Market para mag-shopping.
On our fourth day in Thailand, we went to Chatok Chak Weekend Market, which is home to thousands of stalls spanning 26 sections, and I believe is the world's largest weekend market.
Umuulan guys, so hanap muna kami ng makakain, lunch. Kami sa may Jan nasa loob ng market.
Hindi siya pwede sa akin kami sa kahapon.
We ordered Thai ice milk tea and soft shell crab. And then mang inasal.
Pork meatballs.
Pork meatballs.
Eh, in-order mo.
Tinuro ko lang kasi akala ko manok.
Mukhang bilog.
Mukhang bilog. Basta bilog na brown gustong gusto ko. This one is fish.
Madali na po sa Thailand.
Inside this humongous market, you can find lots of things you think you didn't need. Clothing, second-hand merchandise, foods, and most importantly, pasalubong.
We are now grabbing some pasalubos.
Desirable lang tayo or papak ba ito?
This store in Chatok Chak Market. So we have a lot of options. So currently naghahanap ng marami. Hi! Tatak ng Thailand. I think this is our last dinner here in Thailand, and we are here in Saboi. Saboi. Currently, ang ganda ko. Sobrang ganda ko. Masakit lang sa tenga, pero hi, birthday boy. Ayan. And buhok lana.
The extra.
We ordered at least a couple of foods. Spring rolls, para kunyari vegetables, and then Thai milk tea, and then oyster omelette. Yun lang, kasi mas mamaya, if may time, magkaano kami. Exotic foods like tarantula, silkworms, I think.
Crocodiles.
Deer.
Ayoko na.
Rabbit.
Ayun, yun lang.
Octopus.
Update namin kay mamaya. Yay! Kapon crab. Yellow curry crab. It's made of crab. We are currently at the Kausan Market. Supposedly night market siya, pero as you can see, it's currently raining pretty hard. So maybe you should find some place to make tambay. Ang plan actually dito is eat exotic foods. So we're currently roaming around. Causan Road now. The legendary. So kakain ka ba ng exotic food?
Yes.
Pero magpipicture
Nabasa
ka
tayo
ba?
para dito.
May bayad yung picture, no? Nakita namin may bayad. Pag
Pero
kumuha
hindi
ng
kami
picture sa
nagbayad.
video, 10 baht.
But you
So
need to
tumakbo
pay.
agad kami palayo. Pero try namin later.
You will find fried bugs and insects sold all over Thailand, wherever you are in the country, and you won't have any trouble finding them here in Bangkok. You'll be able to buy bugs from street vendors in the marketplaces, such as here in Khao San Road.
Sago worm.
Maraming stalls that have fried scorpions and tarantulas, but please be reminded that some owners do charge 10 baht to take a picture or videos. It wasn't difficult to find the first stand, but we went to several owners and stalls to compare the quality and friendliness of the owner.
Go. First vlog.
This one is sago worm.
Sago worm.
Sago worm. Sago worm. Go.
What do you say?
Parang ano, mani.
Parang umili ka.
Ito yung price.
Okay, good. Next one.
No, I'm gonna do. I'll list the.
What's that?
This one is scorpion.
Okay.
Tastes like nothing, pero parang shell, crunchy. Oh, good. Let's try. Yan na. Sabay na kayo. Cheers, wait, cheers for the friendship. Nasa makunat na chichirya. Yeah. This one is pupa and cricket. Need pupa and cricket. Di nakita ulit. Palit. Ito. Pupa and cricket. Let's see. What? I'm gonna get some ano. This one is pupa. Sabay-sabay for the friendship. Gusto ko yung kay Alex, no?
We can start you pa.
Ayoko yung ito. Parang may laman sa loob. Hindi nga naman.
And we won't be leaving without any dessert, so we just grab a roti, egg, and then Nutella.
Thank you. Pwede na. Roti, egg, and what's the other one? Nutella.
That is it for our Thailand vlog series. Hope you enjoyed watching, and see you on the next one.
Hi. Flying back home. Bye-bye.